Karlie from CRUKING. Today we are very honored to visit the factory of KATOSCE in Xiamen. This factory was founded in 2005 and KATOSCE has focused on the field of construction machine more than 120 years. With advanced development, technology and rich production experience. Today I'd like to introduce you a Mini Excavator ATVX. The features of these products are strong power, low fear construction and high configuration. First, the energy is YANMAR, which is customized for KATOSCE, and the rate power is 11 kW. The revolution per unit is 2,300. The max digging force of the bucket is 60.4 kN. The weight of the whole machine is less than 2 tons. It's very light and convenient to transport. It also can work in a soft soil like lakeside or private garden. The width of the whole machine is less than 1 meter, so it can enter the narrow space freely. Next, let's focus on the cab, an adjustable back of the seat, very humanized and comfortable meanwhile. Finally, we also supply other models and brands of construction machine. CRUKING focuses on supplies the best machine for you. Welcome to